Use of the resurrection flame. A letter to the transmission of the flame class from the Maha Chohan, April 16, 1960. From the Bridge to Freedom, Journal 5, April 1960. Dear Chelas who wish to use the resurrection flame, one of my services to life is to resurrect the nature kingdom at every springtime. And naturally, I am connected with the Resurrection Temple, now open to mankind in this 30-day period. Just as beloved Jesus used victoriously the resurrection flame, each Chela is expected to do likewise. Hold yourselves in rapport with the rays that are pouring out every minute of the day from the Resurrection Temple to all parts of the world. This will raise the vibratory action of your mind and feelings, as well as that of the cells of your physical bodies. Some of you may ask, how can I tune into the resurrection flame? One of the ways to do this is by magnifying your love and adoration of beloved Jesus and Mary, and by reading their addresses and the descriptions of their temple. The next thing is to invoke the resurrection flame and visualize it passing through your 4 lower bodies: emotional, mental, etheric, and physical. And through every appearance of distress that comes to your attention. And of course, attend daily in your consciousness the Resurrection Temple, where beloved Jesus and Mary and my humble self will meet you. You will enjoy more illumination, a greater purification of your feelings, and the rejuvenation of your physical bodies. Love and blessings. Maha Chohan.